In preparing for this short mindfulness of the breath practice, coming to rest in a comfortable seated position that embodies wakefulness and stability. Perhaps feeling your body and shoulders supported by your pelvis, with your shoulders relaxed and your head feeling balanced. An opportunity once again to fall awake. And perhaps beginning to bring your attention to the sensations of contact between body and the seat. Perhaps noticing that contact between your feet and the floor. Any sensations of weight, pressure, or warmth. And perhaps noticing any differences between those sensations and the rest of your body not in contact with the seat or bench. And as you do so, perhaps beginning to notice that you're breathing. Not the thought of breathing, but the actual sensation itself. Perhaps bringing some gentle attention to the movement of your stomach, in and out, and with that, an awareness of the sensation of skin against clothes, or the pressure of your back against the chair as you breathe in and breathe out. Perhaps beginning to notice your ribcage expanding and contracting. The sensation of air in your throat and mouth. Or perhaps the sensations that you're aware of the air moving in and out of your nostrils. Coming to rest in awareness with whichever part of your breath is most vivid to you, with an encouragement to stay with that part that is most vivid rather than moving around. No right or wrong, simply bringing attention to the breath as it breathes itself. And as you do so, you might begin to notice that it's not so easy to bring your attention fully on the breath, and that your mind has a tendency to have a life of its own and wander off, perhaps thinking about your performance, distraction, thinking about other things, and perhaps becoming aware of sounds or activities around you. This is entirely normal and no reason to give yourself a hard time, but an opportunity to become aware of whatever it is that's taken your attention, adopting time and again a stance of curious interest, noticing what it is that's taken your mind away, and then gently and with compassion and recognition, escorting your mind back once again to the breath. Picking up those sensations, perhaps of changes in temperature as the air moves in and out the area of your nostrils, perhaps the sound of your breath, the sensations of air inside your mouth. Following as best you can the full duration of each breath, from breathing in and out, and noticing the turning points in between. Not changing your breath, not regulating your breath, but simply observing your breath as it is at this moment. Noticing perhaps whether your breathing is rapid or slow, smooth or uneven. However your breath is will do fine for just now. The breath ever present, breathing itself. And noticing once again, whenever your mind has wandered off, an opportunity, a reawakening, and an encouragement to notice whatever it is that's taken your mind away once again, however often, and that gentle accompaniment back to the breath, over and over, each time for the first time. The breath ever present. Fine-tuning your awareness as best you can. Bringing close attention to those parts of the breath sounds, sensations. Being aware of any judgments, opinions, criticisms about your practice. Recognizing these for what they are and bringing yourself back once again. And beginning to bring this short practice gradually to a close. Perhaps beginning to move your feet and your hands slowly. Opening your eyes gradually if they've been closed. Perhaps spending a moment congratulating yourself for having invested the time in yourself to nurture yourself in this way. As we bring this practice to an end.